How to change country in Google Play Store. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change country in Google Play Store. For that, open the Play Store app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Then you want to tap on Payment Methods. Once you're here, you want to tap on the option of More Payment Settings. Once you get here, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now from here, you have the settings option. Tap on that. Now scroll down and find the country/region option. Now tap on this edit icon to edit your country or region. Here it says that you need to create a new payment profile when you move to a new country or region. So you want to tap on the create new profile option. Now tap on the continue option. Now you want to select your country/region from here. After you have selected that, tap on the continue option. Now you will have to enter your name, address, line, state and postal code, then tap on the submit option. Once you create your new profile, your country or region will also be changed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.